Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between RAM and ROM. Have you ever bought a laptop or are you planning to buy it? But somebody doesn't know what model and brand to buy. Then there are some key specifications we need to know before buying this. There are three important key specifications we need to look before buying the laptops. Those are operating system, the RAM, and the ROM of the laptop system. Many people often interchange the functions of RAM and ROM, or they don't know the difference between these two components, or else even they don't know about these two components at all. Before the discussion of these differences between RAM and ROM, we have to know about these two components. Already we have discussed about these two components in our last two videos. I will provide the link in description box. Once you go through that, then you can easily understand about this RAM and ROM. Okay, now let us continue the differences between these two. Mainly the differences between RAM and ROM are based on their users, storage capability, storage capacity, and physical sizes of their chips. RAM stands for random access memory, ROM stands for read-only memory. The storage capability of RAM is volatile memory. That means it requires power to store the data. Whereas ROM is non-volatile one, it doesn't need power to store the data. In RAM, the data access can be done in such a way that the data can be read, modified, or erased. Whereas in ROM, the data is available in read-only format. ROM is used to hold the current instructions only, like opening an application, opening a new tab, or opening data while playing games. Whereas ROM contains a set of startup programs which are essential to start a computer during booting process. And the storage capacity of RAM is 1 to 256 GB, whereas ROM is having 4 to 8 MB only. The physical size of RAM varies whether it is used for desktop computer or laptop. Desktop RAM is about 5.5 inches in length and 1 inch in width. For the laptop RAM, the size is of the length of the desktop computer RAM, while the size of ROM varies from less than 1 inch to multiple inches in length, and the width is depending on their usage. So all these are differences between RAM and ROM. If you are understand the concept in this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.